According to a press release issued by the Government Information Service, Minister for Labour Peter David was unable to reach an agreement between Grenlec and the Technical and Allied Workers Union after making a recommendation to resolve the dispute. Therefore, under the powers of Section 45 and 46 of Part 3 of the Labour Relations Act of the 2010 revised laws, the minister has invited the parties to say whether or not they agree to have the matter determined by an arbitration tribunal. If such an agreement is forthcoming, then the terms of reference would be mutually determined by the disputing parties, as well as the constituting of the tribunal and the determination of its terms of reference. President of the Grenada Technical and Allied Workers Union, Andre Lewis, says that his union was ready to comply with the ministry's recommendations.
The company referred the matter to the Ministry for Labour. The matter was heard before the Minister for Labour, and the union accepted the minister's recommendation. The company rejected the minister's recommendation. And as such, given the fact that it is an essential service, the minister has referred the matter to an arbitration. What is instructive, though, it is the company that referred the matter to the Ministry for Labour, and the union has accepted the recommendations. So the question would arise: what is the motive of the company?
Where the parties are unable to reach an agreement, the minister shall now use his power to determine both the terms of reference and the composition of the tribunal. Lewis hopes that they can reach to an amicable agreement soon.
In the event that the parties cannot agree, because it is an essential service, then ultimately the minister will have the ultimate responsibility to address those matters. But we are hopeful that the parties can reach agreement on the composition and the terms of reference. We go into this with a very positive outlook, wanting to find agreement on the composition and the terms of reference, so that we'll get a fair and objective result. Well, the parties will have to work that out. We hope that for that to be as soon as possible. We'll have to work on that, but we would like for that matter to be resolved as soon as is possible, all things considered.
Meanwhile, in a press release issued by Grenlec today, the company expressed how grateful they are for the ministry's swift intervention, but exercised its right not to accept the recommendation made. The release said the company welcomes the Minister for Labour's initiative to convene an arbitration tribunal, the next stage of the dispute resolution process, as they look forward to a speedy resolution of the matter. For GBN News, I am Rina Pear reporting.